This is so delicious. Aloe vera juice and aloe vera smoothie. So guys, if you want to have your skin to glow like what you're looking at right now, stay here, subscribe. Let's dive into the video of making aloe vera. Okay. Hey, welcome, Katia Valino. Guys, welcome again. If this is your first time, I am Katia Valino. I am a beauty and lifestyle blogger. Guys, please do me a favor, click that red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share, and don't forget to save your comments. I love to read all your comments. Thank you guys, and I hope you're all enjoying summer. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make amazing smoothie with aloe vera. I will be providing you guys with two options of aloe vera drink. Now you want to know a little bit of aloe vera. You know about aloe vera that it helps to tighten up your skin when we're talking about topical and skincare, but today we are talking about how to eat aloe vera. Aloe vera will help to cleanse you out from inside to outside. So not only are you getting glow skin on the outside, on the surface, you are also getting glow on the inside. And also aloe vera will keep you very much hydrated, helps to kill the parasites in your system, aid in digestion and heartburn, hydrate your skin, keeping your skin looking glowing like mine. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and cut up the aloe vera. We are going to be using the gel of the aloe vera. So like I said, I'll be giving you guys two options. Everything here is washed. I love to wash my fruits and veggies ahead of time before coming over here so that the video does not get unnecessarily very long. So we are going to be using the gel of the aloe vera. You know that the best way, and I love to scoop it up with a spoon. This way you make sure that you get everything. Yes. The blender, we will be tossing this aloe vera gel into the blender. And one thing I didn't tell you is that aloe vera helps with constipation. So if you don't go regularly, you need to embrace your aloe vera. Yeah, so when you eat aloe vera on a daily basis, you will go and you will battle that constipation. Okay, I'm going to be adding a little bit more, and I'm saving a little bit more for the skin care. So I like to cut it in 4 or 6 before using the spoon. So now that you have your aloe vera here, the next thing I like to add, I am a very big fan of coconut water. This is baby coconut, baby coconut, and it has lots of water, and I'm only using the water And coconut water is very, very hydrating, especially at this time of the year. So that's all you need here with the aloe vera. And you're going to have your original aloe vera here. And because aloe vera is very bland and doesn't have a whole lot of taste, that's why a lot of people don't drink aloe vera. What I usually do to make it into a smoothie, use any fruits of your choice. I'm a very big lover of pineapple. I will put some pineapple in here. And I'm going to be cutting up some papaya. We call it pawpaw back home in Africa. Papain is excellent. Oh my God, who doesn't like pawpaw growing up? And little did I know when I was growing up that papaya or pawpaw is very excellent for anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. I guess when you get to certain age, you get to know certain things. But we ate a lot of papaya growing up. I love papaya, pawpaw. Yes. Cut. So use as much as anything you have. If you have mango, if you have watermelon, if you have juice at home, like if you're just one of those people who really enjoy drinking juice from the store, just take some aloe vera juice and mix it up with your regular juice that you have at home. Very sweet. You're going to be blending up your aloe vera smoothies. It's ready. And you want to turn it up into a cup. What you want to do is you want to store your regular aloe vera in the fridge, and you can mix this up with any juice that you have at home or any smoothie, or you can go ahead and make a direct smoothie with your aloe vera. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys here. Now remember, subscribe and share the video.